Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable inverter generators on Amazon. You can use a portable inverter generator to power everything from sensitive electronics to portable refrigerators, power tools, CPAP machines, lights, and much more. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jackery Solar Generator 1000. For the environmentally conscious user and anyone looking to run a generator that doesn't sound like an airplane constantly passing overhead, there's the Jackery Solar Generator 1000. This innovative and smartly designed generator can be 100% powered by solar charging. The unit comes equipped with 2 lightweight and portable 100W solar panels that are capable of fully charging the generator in 6 to 12 hours, depending on the amount of sunlight you have. Be warned, however, that the included solar panels aren't waterproof. You can also charge the generator using a standard household electric outlet or your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet for times when there is little to no sun. It offers an impressive 2,000 watts of starting power and 1,000 watts of running power. What we like about it? No smelly fuel source needed to run this generator. Multiple charging options. Can be charged quickly when in direct sunlight. What we don't like about it? Expensive. User manual is confusing and not very clear. Number 2. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. For the times when larger inverter generators are just overkill, there's the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. This ultra-portable inverter generator weighs only 7.1 pounds and can easily fit in your car or camping gear. It's an entry-level power supply that's equipped with a 293 Wh rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. It will give you a peak wattage of 500 watts and 300 running watts so that you can quickly charge or run your laptop, smartphone, tablet, fans, lights, and more. This little power source is equipped with 2 110-volt 300-watt pure sine wave AC outlets, one 5-volt USB port, one quick charge 3.0 USB-A port, one USB-C port, and one 12-volt DC car charging port. It's the perfect option for minimalist travelers and folks who like to pack light. What we like about it? Super compact and lightweight. Great for charging sensitive devices. Silent operation. What we don't like about it? Not powerful enough to charge appliances. Fully recharging this tiny unit takes longer than expected. Number 3. WEN 2000-watt gas-powered portable inverter generator. Generators in the WEN 56200i's price bracket very rarely can be called quiet, and they're pretty much never described as powerful. They are often heavy and bulky, challenging to even get to where they're needed. This WEN generator punches above its price class, however. It produces just 53 decibels, has an engine that is both EPA and CARB compliant, and weighs less than 50 pounds. With a total production of 1,600 rated watts and 2,000 surge watts, the 56200i makes the electrical oomph one needs, all in a small and portable package. It boasts a very impressive 9.4-hour runtime under 1/4 load, lasting longer than some generators, well over double its price. The side panel, however, is difficult to remove, making maintenance of the unit that much more difficult. What we like about it? Affordable. Quiet operation. Long runtime. What we don't like about it? Eco throttle only works loads below 1000 watts. Side panel is tough to remove. Number 4. Champion 2500-watt dual-fuel inverter generator. If you're looking for a really lightweight yet powerful power source, check out the Champion Power Equipment 2500-watt ultralight portable dual-fuel inverter generator. This versatile generator can run off regular fuel or propane, giving you options in the event of a fuel shortage or when a trip to the gas station just isn't in the cards. Even better, this generator weighs a mere 39 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight options available. What we like about it? Runs off 2 different fuel sources. Super lightweight. Cold start technology ensures starting in freezing temps. What we don't like about it? Pull start can be frustrating. Number 30 amp RV or marine ready option. Number 5. Westinghouse Electric Start Portable Inverter Generator. When you have larger power needs and you want the ultimate in reliability and durability, the Westinghouse Electric Start Portable Inverter Generator deserves your attention. It offers an impressive 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 running watts to easily meet your larger power needs. It's equipped with a TT30RRV-ready outlet, two 20-amp household outlets, and two 5-volt DC USB ports to provide versatile power options. What we like about it? Plenty of power and runtime. Easy push-button start. Backed by a 3-year warranty. What we don't like about it? Expensive. Heavy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.